All right. A little bit of the science behind this. There's a couple of books here. First is by Dr. Paul J. Zak, Trust Factor, The Science of Creating High-Performing Companies. Now, he did tons of studies based on creating trust and the chemical oxytocin, which is regulated by serotonin. It's regulated by relationships. So people that are in relationships, even if they're just introduced by name, rather than total strangers, will cooperate and become the foundation for business. So he's an economist. He's not some psychologist first and foremost. He's an economist. And so he's looking for what drove business. And he put it in one word: trust. If you can create the value of trust, you can create business, because it's the creator of all relationships, all financial relationships, all business relationships. Everything revolves around creating this one value. And it's measurable in the body. We can see that it creates oxytocin within the body, and that oxytocin level changes the level of trust that we have with the people around us. When that happens, business can flow much more easily than it did before. And then there's Dr. Henry Cloud, the author of Boundaries. He has this book called Trust. And again, a world-renowned psychologist who works many times with CEOs and businesses around the world. This is his statement: trust is the glue of life. It's the most essential ingredient in effective communications. It is the foundational principle that holds all relationships together. So the science in these books are clear. The experimental literature is clear. When we have trust, people will exchange money. People will give things, grant things, do things, create exchanges willingly without being coerced. There's no other factor that will move people forward in business more than trust. So it's a foundational element to culture creation, and that's why you need to have these discussions, have this as a focus within your organization. I can't underscore this enough, that trust is so essential.